so beautiful. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ. So nice ladybird. ಅವತ್ತು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಚ್ಚೋದಾ? ಹಾಂ ಪಾಪ. ಓ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದು. ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎತ್ತದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಶೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವುಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿಕೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವನು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕಲನ್ನ ಇದು ಇದನಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ಲೇಡಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಓ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕಾಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ladybirds. His name is Gaini. Is a girl. His name is Ladybird. He's turned into the girl. It's so beautiful. Anybody eat them, but his animal can eat them. He don't like them. Ladybird can fly. Its weight, so ladybird not eat us little bit plants. Then ladybirds are ever beautiful ever again. And ladybirds talking silly and little bit sticky. And then we love to wear us. And is upside down like silly words. And she can talk. It's too small. We don't know what she talking. But it said brrrr. It's but little bit, but we don't know it's a song. Then she walking everywhere we like. It's too small. And she is bananas. She's house is it like that banana tree. Is climb the tree and she climb. Wait, it's so beautiful. And the red color, just the orange color, and blue color, every color is white. I show you. Come on, follow me. This every ladybirds are never happy. You can see the happy.
Put Lakshmi Banlu. Put Lakshmi.
Cow. And ladybirds are flying, baby ladybirds and big ladybirds. Come on, let's go. Let's see the more ladybirds. Amma. So, ಇದು ಬೇಗ ಮಲಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕಿ ಕಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.